Master teacher.
So, yung tubig niya nakalahati lang, no? Para paglagay dito, nakasubmerge yung mga ugat. Ayan. We'll see next week kung ano magiging resulta. What's up mga Bisaya? Mayong hapon sa inyong tanan. It's Sunday, August the 9th and alauna ng hapon. Medyo makulimlim uli ang langit. But gaya ng kagawian, let's utilize our Sunday to do some gardening. So today I'm working with the kids. These are my kids. Your name is?
Remy.
Remy, musika. And you are?
Himig.
Himig. Okay, so Himig and musika. So today, wala yung tatay natin, nasa Mintal, may ginagawa sa bahay namin doon. So, tayo lang muna with the kids. Today, ang project natin gagawin is, magsiseedling tayo. Okay? Magsiseedling tayo ng 5 iba't ibang klase ng gulay na pwedeng ihalo sa salad. Okay? Vegetable salad. You like vegetable salad? You like it? Alright, so let's introduce the plants that we will be planting today. First one is tomatoes. The second one?
Purple lettuce.
Purple lettuce, okay.
Arugula.
Arugula, okay.
Pechay.
Pechay, okay.
Iceberg lettuce.
Iceberg lettuce, okay. So isi-seedling natin ito today. Papakita natin yung mga steps and ituturo natin sa mga bata. Plano natin gawin dito is after next week siguro, mga Saturday or Sunday. Hopefully ready na silang i-transplant and ang method na ating gagamitin is what they call as hydroponics. Nagka-interest ako na makita ko yung mga video sa YouTube kung paano siya gawin and we wanna do it on our own so that we'll be able to grow our own food as well in our own backyard. So let's start planting, no? Stay tuned. Alright, so let's do the process. Introduce muna natin yung mga gagamitin natin na for the seedling, okay? So what is this? Container tub, no? Container tub, ice cream. Supposedly dapat butasan pero in this case, hindi natin bubutasan kasi hindi naman natin masyadong babasahin yung ating mga seedling. So tamang moist lang para mag-germinate. And then what else do we have? Siyempre we have our seedling. We have our seedling. We have our nutrient solution. Hindi pa natin ito gagamitin today but this is for our hydroponics na gagawin after natin i-transplant. Meron din tayong bloom boosters. I-dilute natin ito sa tubig para i-dilute sa mga halaman natin mamaya. And then of course, our garden soil. Okay? So, let's start. So, next, clear the seed, okay? Wait lang. This is for the pechay, lettuce,
Iceberg
lettuce, tomatoes, and then arugula, okay? Get the scissor. Okay, mapurol pa rin. So, ito yung mga buto ng pechay. Okay, so you spread it all over. Pero may focus. Spread it all over. Yung iceberg lettuce, Mickey, sobrang lipid. Okay, so hold your hand. Transfer natin sa mga inilig. Gently, very gently. Okay. Sige, plant it. it. Spread it. Spread it. Okay. Same din doon ang iceberg lettuce. Medyo maliliit masyado yung buto. Ayaw na. No. Then, spread it all over. Pero nga, i-straight yung kamot. Okay, spread it all over. Go. Kailangan siyang ilagay sa lilim, di direct sa sunlight. So ang gagawin natin guys is mag-prepare tayo ng Blue Peter's Bloom Booster, no? Ilagay natin sa balde. Okay, get your water maybe. Alright, that's enough. Okay, pag tabo. Gentle lang. Di na labot mig. Para. Alright, good job kids. Tapos na tayo magtanim. Did you learn something today? Learn how to plant. Okay, very good. What are the things that we need when we plant? Soil.
Water. Blossom booster.
Bloom boosters. So, since we're done planting and daghan tag sobra na seedlings and materials, we need to seal them so that we can still use them again. So, Ate Jai will help us. Say hello, Ate Jai. Ay, okay. So, i-seal na to gusab. Ay, may yabo. May bell pepper tayong tinanim dito na medyo hindi kagandahan ang resulta, no? Medyo mahina ang tubo. So, experiment natin na i-transplant siya through our hydroponic solution. And make sure lang na hindi madamage yung mga ugat. And ilalagay natin to sa ating hydroponics solution. Bell pepper. Alright, so let's remove this guy out of save his life. Let's remove the let's clean it up. So ito yung materials na kailangan natin for the hydroponics, no? Ice cream tubs, 2 container. takip niya, binutasan natin para mapasok to halfway. Itong, hindi tawagan eh, lalagyan ng taho, no? Paper cup ng taho. So, ensure na yung butas niya is would only allow it to drop halfway lang, halfway. Tama. Carefully, dili dapat madamage, ha? Dili dapat ma-hurt ang mga ugat, ha? Dito sa camera, pakita mo sa camera.
Yes.
Like that. Very good. Next thing that we will do is we will put garden soil. Lagyan ng garden soil. Okay, ayan lang.
Put some water there.
Yes. So, ganito yung resulta guys. Ganito ang may kalabasan. Nakausok na yung ugat. Yan. Then let's prepare our garden, our, what do you call that? Water solution, nutrient solution. Okay? Ang tawag ito guys is Yamasaki Hydroponics solution. Di yan tuyo. I-mix ito sa tubig, 2 ml.
Suka.
2 ml.
Suka.
So parang toyo at suka lang, no? Solution A and B ito. A and B. So ang mixture is in every 1 liter, 2 ml daw. So tansyahin lang natin 2 ml. So nasa mga 1 big. And then,
Toyo.
lagyan ng toyo. Lagyan ng toyo, kalahating kutsara. And then tapos ang Sherman B. Ayun na, first baby. Kalahating kutsara lang din.
Suka.
Pwede naman.
That's how you make
So, yung tubig nga nakalahati lang, no? Para paglagay dito, nakasubmerge yung mga ugat. Yun. So, we'll see next week kung ano magiging resulta. Alright, so there you have it guys. Maraming salamat for watching and for tuning in. Today natapos natin ang natapos nating project is ano, mag-seedling ng 5 klaseng anong gulay? Salad gulay, right? Can you remember all 5 of them?
Dapat kayo yung Bisaya kaya naman tagaluto.
Gardening. Lutong Bisaya gardening. So that the plant that we grow, we will feature them in our Lutong Bisaya. Alright? Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Subscribe.
Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe and gusto mo yung video ko, if you're new to the channel, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. May mga gusto kang mga video pa na pwede nating gawing content in our future projects, mag-comment ka lang. Hit the notification bell para every time mag-upload tayo. At least once or twice a week nag-upload tayo nang ma-notify ka. Okay? Again, thank you so much for watching. Nasa 900 subscribers na tayo on Facebook and 680 on YouTube. So, salamat ng marami sa inyong lahat. Hanggang susunod na Sunday, abangan nyo, ita-transplant natin yung seedling natin today to the process that we call as hydroponics. So, magandang topic yan, interesting yan, ituturo natin sa mga bata. Thank you for watching. Have a good Sunday, everyone. Bye! Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye!